Share multiple iPhone contacts in just a few taps. First, share selected contacts. Open the phone app on your iPhone. Tap on the Contacts tab at the bottom. Place 2 fingers on the contact list and drag down to quickly select multiple contacts at once. Once the contacts are selected, tap and hold on the selected contacts. A menu will appear with several options. Tap on Share. Now choose which details you want to include in the contact card. Then tap Done in the top right corner. The sharing menu will pop up, where you can see multiple options for sharing such as AirDrop, iMessage, Mail, etc. For this demo, let's choose AirDrop. Select the receiver's device from the list and enter the AirDrop code from that device. The transfer will begin immediately and you'll see a confirmation pop up in the dynamic island. Second, share all contacts at once. Open the phone app and go to the Contacts tab. Tap on Lists from the top left corner. Tap and hold on the All Contacts tab at the top. Then tap on the Export option. Choose the contact details you want to include, and tap Done. Select any sharing method from the list. Let's go with WhatsApp this time. Select a contact from the list, and tap on Next. Then tap on Send from the top right corner. On the receiving device, open the contact card and you can see the list of contacts. And that's it.